Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundrg Health. Today's topic is 13 incredibly heart-healthy foods. Incorporating specific food groups like leafy greens, whole grains, and fatty fish into your diet can significantly improve your heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. The impact of these dietary choices on promoting heart health cannot be overstated. They can influence key risk factors associated with heart disease, including blood pressure, triglyceride levels, cholesterol levels, and inflammation. Recognizing this significance is crucial, especially when considering that heart disease is the leading cause of death among adults in the United States. Here are 13 delicious and diverse foods you should eat to maximize your heart health. Before starting, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our channel to receive more insightful updates on nutrition and health. Your support can help us to spread the word and reach out to more people who need these tips. So, let's begin. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin K and dietary nitrates. These nutrients are essential for cardiovascular health, as they can help lower blood pressure, improve arterial function, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Eating more green leafy vegetables can contribute to a healthier heart. 2. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are delicious and rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins. These antioxidants protect your body against oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting heart health. Consuming these berries regularly can significantly lower the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and metabolic syndrome. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains are essential to a healthy diet as they contain the germ, endosperm, and bran. Common whole grains include whole wheat, brown rice, oats, rye, barley, buckwheat, and quinoa. Studies have shown that increasing whole grain intake can bring various health benefits, such as reducing cholesterol, lowering the risk of heart disease, and decreasing systolic blood pressure. The American Heart Association recommends choosing whole grains over refined grains in your daily diet to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, coronary heart disease, stroke, and metabolic syndrome. When buying whole grains, it's crucial to carefully inspect the ingredients label to ensure that the product is truly whole grain. Phrases like whole grain or 100% whole wheat on the label indicate a whole grain product. 4. Avocados. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can lower cholesterol and decrease the risk of heart disease. Research shows that eating at least 2 servings of avocados per week can decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease by 16% and coronary heart disease by 21%. Avocados may also improve LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and vascular function. They are rich in potassium, essential for heart health, and can help lower blood pressure. A 150-gram serving of avocado provides about 725 milligrams of potassium, roughly 21% of the recommended daily intake for adult males. In conclusion, avocados have the potential to reduce cholesterol levels, decrease blood pressure, and lower the risk of developing metabolic syndrome due to their monounsaturated fats and potassium content. 5. Beans. Beans contain resistant starch, which is beneficial for the digestive system as it supports beneficial bacterial fermentation. Studies show that beans can positively affect gut health and reduce risk factors for heart disease. They can lower overall cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels, enhance blood sugar management, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, especially for individuals with diabetes. 6. Fatty fish and fish oil. Incorporating oily fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna into your diet can provide you with a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Research shows that omega-3 fatty acids from oily fish can lower the risk of heart disease, reduce cardiovascular incidence and irregular heartbeats, and decrease overall cholesterol levels, blood triglycerides, fasting blood sugar, and systolic blood pressure. Fish oil supplements are an alternative for those who consume little seafood and can also lower mortality rates, cardiac-related deaths, sudden deaths, and the risk of stroke. Alternative omega-3 supplements like krill or algal oil are also becoming popular. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can help prevent oxidative damage and inflammation, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Consuming tomato-based products and lycopene supplementation has been linked to improved blood lipids, blood pressure, and endothelial function. Including raw tomatoes, tomato sauce, or tomato sauce with refined olive oil in your diet can help lower blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels. Cooking tomatoes increases the body's absorption of lycopene, which can help elevate HDL cholesterol levels, promote heart health, and protect against heart disease and stroke. 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants, such as flavonoids, that promote heart health. Consuming it in moderation, less than 6 servings a week, may lower the risk of coronary heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. However, dark chocolate can be high in sugar and calories, so it's essential to choose a high-quality option with at least 70% cocoa content for the best heart-healthy benefits. 9. Almonds. Almonds are packed with nutrients that benefit the heart. They contain monounsaturated fats and fiber, which can help lower the risk of heart disease. Research shows that consuming almonds can positively impact cholesterol levels. For instance, a study revealed that eating 1.5 ounces of almonds daily for 6 weeks can reduce belly fat and lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Almonds are also linked to higher levels of HDL, good cholesterol, which supports clear arteries. Remember that almonds are calorie-dense, so it's essential to control portions, especially if you're watching your weight. 10. Seeds. Chia, flax seeds, and hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which can benefit heart health. Studies indicate that incorporating these seeds into your diet can help improve factors contributing to heart disease, including inflammation, blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Hemp seeds are high in arginine, an amino acid linked to lower levels of specific inflammatory markers. Adding ground flaxseed to your diet may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer and improve gastrointestinal health and diabetes. Chia seeds can also support heart health by providing dietary fibers, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. These can potentially lead to lower blood pressure, reduced blood clot formation, and decreased LDL cholesterol levels. Both human and animal studies suggest that adding seeds to your diet could help improve various risk factors for heart disease. 11. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which can reduce blood pressure and inhibit platelet buildup, lowering the risk of blood clots and stroke. To maximize its benefits, consume raw garlic or crush it before cooking. 12. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fatty acids, which can lower the risk of heart disease and help manage hypertension. Olive oil can be included as simply as drizzling it over meals or using it in dressings and gravies. Its high levels of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats make it a valuable element of a heart-healthy diet, with demonstrated benefits in decreasing blood pressure and lowering the risk of heart disease. 13. Green tea. Green tea has numerous health benefits, such as enhanced fat burning, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced cancer risk. Its antioxidants, including polyphenols and catechins, protect cells, reduce inflammation, and promote heart health. Scientific research suggests green tea can increase leptin production, regulate appetite, and lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Additionally, green tea extract may help improve blood pressure and glycemic control. Studies have shown that taking green tea extract for 3 months can lower blood pressure, triglycerides, LDL, bad cholesterol, and overall cholesterol levels. Using green tea as a supplement or drinking matcha made from powdered whole green tea leaves can also positively impact heart health. Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.